I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a test question for you on direct and partial variation. Question is, consider the three equations y equals to 2 over 5x, y equals to 5x squared, and y equals to 2x plus 5. Which is an example of direct variation? Explain. You can pause the video, write down your answer, and then look into my suggestions. So let's consider these equations one by one. The first equation is y equals to 2 over 5x. The second one given to us is y equals to 5x squared, and then we have y equals to 2x plus 5. Now whenever you're talking about direct variations, you have to see whether the equation is linear or not, right? So this is linear, right? So this is linear, but this is non-linear. This is not linear. Right, so I mean non-linear, and this one is linear, correct? So if it is non-linear, we are saying it is neither. So in this case, we know directly that it's not a direct or a partial variation, since it is not a linear equation, so we'll say neither. Now you are left with these two linear equations. Now in these linear equations, how can you figure out whether it is direct variation or partial variation? The best way is to check for the point 0, 0. Now if that satisfies the equation, then it is direct. If not, it is not direct. So if I write 0 here, then what do I get? 2 over 5 times 0 is indeed equals to 0. So 0, 0 is perfectly fine. So if that is satisfied, then we can write down our answer that this is direct variation. Since the point 0, 0 is on the straight line provided by the equation. Here, if I substitute 0, what do I get y as equals to? I get y equals to 2 times 0 plus 5, which is 5, not 0. Is that okay? Since that does not satisfy the equation, or 0, 0 is not on the line represented by the equation, we'll say that is partial variation. Is it okay? Partial variation. Another way of saying the same thing is find y-intercept. So we can say 0, 0 is find y-intercept. That is kind of acid test. Find y-intercept. Now if the y-intercept is 0, then it's direct. If the y-intercept is not 0, it is partial. So we say find y-intercept. So it is not 0. So it is partial. Y-intercept is 0. So it is direct. That could be another way of justifying your answer. That is how we can explain if the equation represents direct variation or partial variation, correct? I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.